Ziyarat during times of fear. Muawiyah bin Wahaab narrates, Imam Jafar Sadiq alaihi salam said, O Muawiyah, do not neglect performing the Ziyarat of the grave of Hussain alaihi salam due to fear. He who abandons the Ziyarat of Hussain alaihi salam for any reason will regret it so much that he will wish that his grave was next to him. Do you not desire for Allah to see you amongst those whom RasoolAllah Peace be upon him, Ameerul Momineen Ali alaihi salam, Syeda Fatima alaiha salam, and the Imams alaihim salam pray for? Do you not desire to be amongst those who return with forgiveness for their past sins? And do you not desire to return from his Ziyarat with 70 years of sins forgiven for you? Do you not desire to be amongst those who will not have any sins about which they will be questioned when they leave this life? Do you not desire to be amongst those whose hands RasoolAllah Peace be upon him will shake tomorrow on the day of judgment?